It's Kirsty here. Huge congratulations for signing up for my 3-day luxury salon experience. Just 30 minutes every day between the 25th and the 27th of November. I am so excited to see you there. A few things you need to do. First of all, check your inbox because you should have a confirmation email that will confirm all the dates, the times, and give you the Zoom link to get in. So make sure you have that and let us know for any reason you don't. Secondly, I need you to head off to your calendar, your treatment diary, and block in those times, 7:30 p.m. GMT, 30 minutes, and then you could leave a little bit more time for some Q&A if you wanted to stay a little bit longer, but book them in. I know you're probably most likely to have what I call therapist disease, and I know it because I've had it as well and still have it, where a client says, oh, can you just squeeze me in? And you will always choose them over your own learning. But it's time to not do that, to make the right decisions for you and the right decisions for your business. So book it in the calendar so it can't be cancelled. And then thirdly, make sure you've got your notebook and your pen and you are ready to go. Turning up live to the 3 nights will give you that extra special spice to really be there and part of it, but also I'm going to be running a special competition. Every time you're there live, you get more entries into my competition to win £200 of spa decor vouchers. So that's for things like treatment sarongs, copper pedicure bowls, things that you can use in your salon, whatever product range you are using. So being there live is amazing. We will be sending you the replays if that's an absolute necessity for you. So there's both options there, but there's utter benefits of being live. I'm going to leave you with this. So many salon owners and salons don't ever reach their full potential. They're stuck in this sea of sameness where clients can compare us to each other, can compare our treatments and our treatment prices. If you don't have that really unique client journey and your very special core why that you can differentiate, then you stay locked in that sea of sameness. It's time to break out and have an amazing different client journey and special touches that make you as unique as you know you are and your team are. And at that point, you can really charge your worth to really make sure that the hours you're putting in are getting you the value of being there. This 3 days is to help give you 3 quick wins that can transform you quickly and give you the belief for going into 2026 with a new plan, a new sense of worth, and never being stuck in the sea of sameness. I can't wait to see you there.